Welcome back again. In this video lecture, we are going to see summing amplifier and difference amplifier using operational amplifier. So summing amplifier is going to do a sum of the input signal, that may be AC or DC, as well as the difference amplifier will give us the difference. It may be AC or DC. So look at here, V1, V2, V3, these are the inputs. So we can connect so many. With that, we have resistance R in for V1, resistance R in, same resistance for V2, resistance R in, same for V3. So they are collectively have a current that is flowing through it, I1 due to V1, I2 due to V2, and I3 due to V3, and they are collectively given to the virtual earth summing point. Why we are calling it as virtual earth summing point? X, because the non-inverting terminal is connected to ground, so that's why the X is at virtual earth, means we are considering it to be as 0 volt, right? And there is a feedback resistor IF that will flow through RF. So according to this is a inverting configuration, you can see it because input is connected to inverting amplifier. V out is equal to minus RF upon R in. So A, you know the gain A, that is equal to minus RF upon R in, where V out is equal to A into V in. So now the V in is nothing but V1, V2, V3 and so on. So we have to find out according to the Kirchhoff's current law. We can say the current entering into the node is equal to current leaving the node. We can say IF, that is the current leaving the node, is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay, according to Kirchhoff's current law. So we have to find out I1 plus I2 plus I3, and then we are going to get the, okay. So in case of this, uh, if the current is also, the IF direction is wrong in there, the IF direction is from V out to X point because of the DX point. So how to calculate the current I1? So current I1 is calculated to be as V1 minus Vx divided by Rin. So Vx is considered to be as ground or virtual earth. We can say it is to be as V1 upon Rin. So IF is equal to minus inside bracket. Minus sign is there kept in mind because IF current is flowing from V out to X. So this is minus IF. So IF is equal to minus inside bracket V1 upon R in. This is due to V1 plus V2 upon R in. This is due to V2 because again V2 minus Vx upon R in. V2 will be there. Then plus V3 upon R in. So these three input signal or input voltage that should be get added with each other because of the Kirchhoff's current law. You can see here uh, the V out is minus RF upon Rin into V in. So we can say here V out or minus V out is equal to V1 is considered to be as, or we can say RF upon Rin into V1 plus RF upon Rin into V2 plus RF upon Rin into V3, because goes inside it and multiply to each term. So RF upon Rin into V1 plus RF upon Rin into V2 plus RF upon Rin into V3. So if we take RF upon Rin outside, we'll get minus V out is equal to inside bracket V1 plus V2 plus V3, and if we connect so many, we'll have dot 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 dot. So V out is equal to actually minus RF upon Rin into V1 plus V2 plus V3 and so on. So this is the way. Differential amplifier, so this will make a difference. So as you know, V1 and V2, they are connected to inverting and non-inverting terminal. So V2 is connected to non-inverting terminal, V1 is connected to inverting terminal. So V2 has resistance R2 and R4 to be connected to ground. V1 has resistance R1 and RF or R3 that is connected to V out. So according to this concept, R3 and R4 should be equal, and R1 and R2, they both should be equal. So according to this, how to find out a current I1? So current I1 is to be find out like this. Uh, Current I1 is equal to V1 minus VA divided by R1, and current I2 to be V2 minus VB divided by R2. And how to find out IF? IF to be find out is like this: VA minus V out divided by R3, as current is flowing from VA towards the V out. So this is due to simple Ohm's law. V is equal to IR, I is equal to V upon R. So we can find out the current. But according to virtual orth concept, or we can say a summing point, VA should be equal to VB. So whatsoever the voltage at VA, that should be equal to VB. So that's why we can have the value of VB. So how the value of VB will be? VB, look at V2, R2, VB and R4. This is nothing but a potential divider arrangement. So you have to find out the voltage across VB. It is nothing but we have to find out the voltage across R4. So what we have, VB is equal to R4 divided by total resistance in the circuit is R2 plus R4 into V2. V2 is the source. So VB is equal to V2 inside bracket R4 divided by R2 plus R4. And if we use a superposition theorem, suppose we have to calculate if V2 is 0, if V2 is considered to be connected to ground, how will be V out? So V out will be, if V2 is 0, VB will be 0, means it is connected to ground. So V out will be equal to minus V1 inside bracket R3 upon R1. This is inverting amplifier. Look at here. If V2 is 0, V out of A will be minus V1 inside bracket R3 upon R1. This is nothing but minus RF upon RIN into V or V in. So this is V out of A. Then if we consider, look at here, V out of A is calculated, it is to be inverting amplifier. So we are using superposition theorem to calculate it. First consider V2 to be equal to 0, V out to be calculated as V out of A, that is equal to minus RF upon RIN into V in. So R3 upon R1 into V1. So minus sign will be there because of the inverting amplifier. Now look at here, the second way, if we connect V1 equal to 0, then what will have? Will have non-inverting configuration. What will have? Non-inverting configuration with the gain. What will be the gain? 1 plus RF upon R1. So look at here, the gain is actually the RF is R3, right? And the R1 or RIN is R1. So what we'll have? We'll have V out of B is equal to R1 plus R3 upon R1, right? R1 plus R3 upon R1, and VB, the value of VB will be V2 inside bracket R4 upon R2 plus R4. So this is the V out of B will be, right? But we'll have 1 plus RF upon R1 into VB, but the value of VB is there, V2 inside bracket R4 upon R2 plus R4. So this is very simple. So what will have V out is equal to, so V out is equal to V out of A plus V out of B, but V out of A is nothing but minus V1 upon R3 upon R1 plus V out of B is called V2 divided by V2 inside bracket R4 upon R2 plus R4 inside bracket R1 plus R3 upon R4. So now as we have seen that the R3 and R4 they are same, and R1 and R2 if they are same, so we can have R1 and R2 if they both are same, and R3 and R4 if they both are same. But we'll having R1 plus R3 and R1 plus R3 at the first side, they will get cancels each other, and what we'll have R3 is equal to R4 and R1 as it is. So we can see R2 is equal to R1, R4 is equal to R3. But what we are getting, we are getting V out R1 and R1 plus R3, they will cancels with R2 plus R4, because R2 is equal to R1 and R4 is equal to R3. So R4 turns to be R3. So finally what we'll get, V out is equal to R3 upon R1 inside bracket V2 minus V1. So this is the way difference amplifier is.